You've heard all the hype about electric cars, silent rides, instant torque, zero emissions, and cheap fueling. It sounds like the future, right? But here's what they don't usually tell you. And it could seriously change how you think about EVs. First, let's talk about charging. Home charging sounds easy until you realize most standard outlets are painfully slow. A full charge can take up to 2 days if you're using a regular wall plug. If you want faster charging at home, you'll need a level 2 charger, but that means hiring an electrician and spending anywhere from $500 to $2,000. Not exactly pocket change. And if you live in an apartment or don't have dedicated parking, setting up charging could be nearly impossible. Then there's public charging. Fast chargers are great when they work, but too often they're broken, full, or located in inconvenient places. Plus, charging speeds vary wildly depending on your car and the station. You might expect to top off in 20 minutes and end up waiting an hour. Next up is battery performance in real-world conditions. Cold weather can slash your range by up to 40%. That means a 300-mile car could barely push 180 miles on a freezing day. In hot climates, batteries work overtime cooling themselves down, which eats into your efficiency and degrades your battery faster over time. Repairs and service are another thing people don't talk enough about. Electric cars have fewer moving parts than gas cars, but when something does break, it can get expensive. Body shops often don't want to touch EVs because of the risk of damaging high-voltage systems. And if you need to replace a battery out of warranty, it can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 depending on the model. Then there's the waiting game. Even the best fast chargers today take about 20 to 40 minutes to charge most EVs to 80%. Compare that to 5 minutes at a gas pump, and it completely changes your long-distance travel plans. You'll have to plan charging stops carefully, especially on road trips. And finally, let's talk about resale value. Because technology is moving so fast, today's new EV could feel outdated within just a few years. Newer models have longer ranges, faster charging, better features, and that puts downward pressure on used EV prices. Plus, a car's battery health plays a huge role in its resale value, and not every buyer knows how to check that properly. Now, don't get me wrong, electric cars are fantastic. They're quiet, fast, and much cheaper to maintain overall than gas cars. But they come with real-world challenges that aren't always obvious when you're just looking at advertisements. If you want honest advice and real talk about cars, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.